Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Install Visual Studio Code through your package manager, apt, DNF, or snap, so updates integrate with the system. Make sure Git is installed and configure SSH keys or a credential helper. This avoids repeated sign-ins. Once done, enable any required repositories and run the system update so dependencies match. You should confirm your CPU architecture, 64-bit versus ARM, so you pick the correct. You now configure the middle layer, extensions and toolchains. Install language packs, Python, C#, JavaScript, or C/C++, and then add linters and formatters so code stays consistent. Once installed, set up remote SSH or WSL for development on remote machines, adjust workspace settings. JSON to point to interpreters and toolpaths. Make sure the debugger adapter for your language is present, and choose a terminal shell that matches your environment. After configuring, test running a small build to confirm integration. You finish by validating and stabilizing the workflow. Create a sample project, run a full build, and step through the debugger to confirm breakpoints and source mapping work. Make sure key bindings and autosave preferences suit your flow, and pin workspace settings to the project. If something fails, check integrated terminal output, then restart code. A key troubleshooting tip: if an extension misbehaves, disable and reinstall it, or clear the extension cache. This resolves most extension-related issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.